Okay, we've sanded this down. We've sharpened our teeth how we want them. Now we're going to glue them in here. And I'll put a nail in here too also to keep it so it doesn't get bumped and come loose. We cut the bottom off of this and sanded it down. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. But I'm afraid if I just glue it and it gets bumped, it'll come loose. So by putting a nail in that, it's going to hold it a lot better. Now, if you don't have an air gun, just use a brad nail and tap it in slowly. And then when we get ready to cover it, we'll just cover this up with wood putty. There we go. So we'll let this set up and dry. It's pretty even. You can make a little bit of adjustment before the glue sets in, but I think that's what we want. It's going to go up in here. So we'll let this set up and dry, and then we'll come on to the next step. Thanks for watching.